Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna solve the day 3 of Leetcode daily challenge problem of August. The problem name is My Calendar 1 and it falls in the medium category of Leetcode. Now let's move on to the problem statement. You are implementing a program to use as your calendar. We can add a new event if adding the event will not cause a double booking. A double booking happens when two events have same non-empty intersection, some non-empty intersection, that is, some movement is common to both the events. The event can be represented as a pair of integers start and end that represents a booking on the open interval start end. The range of real number x such that start is always less than x and x is always less than end. Implement the my calendar class. My calendar class initializes a calendar object and boolean book if which returns true if the event can be added to the calendar successfully without causing a double booking. Otherwise we are going to return a false. uh, that is when do not we do can't be able to add the event to the calendar. Now let's move on to the first test case. So my calendar object is initialized, and then we have a booking of 10 comma 20 can be booked because there is no double booking, and after that there is a booking of 15 comma 25, but there is a already 10 to 20 slot booked, so 15 comma 20 can't be booked, so we are going to return a false, and after that 20 comma 30 and 20 comma 30 can be booked, so we are returning true. I'm in this problem. I'm going to use a vector of pair comma int, pair of int comma int. Let's name it. Let's name it anything. We can name it anything like vec. Let's name it vec. So and now for each each element for each element in the vec, I'm gonna check if the max of start comma id dot first is less than main of end comma it dot second, and if this is true then we can't add the element, otherwise we can always add the element. We will return a false from here only, return a 0, and otherwise I'm just going to push this start and end pair into vec dot push back start comma end, and after that I'm going to return 1, and let's check if it works. It is working, and let's now submit the code. uh, so for that we are going to use the space of order n to store all the bookings, and for each booking to check if the next element can be added or not, we are going to traverse uh, vec- the whole vector we created of size or order n. So the time complexity would be order n square. As in the worst case, we are going to check whole list. Thank you for watching my channel. Do like and subscribe.